I'm going to offer you a phrase today that we're just going to come back to again and again. And that is the phrase, I am. I am. So let's just start to drop into our body and follow our breath. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling back through the nose. Inhaling. Pause at the top and exhale. Letting each breath wash over your body and just allow you to sink into a sense of safety, of relaxing. And I want you to see if you can, in this state of just breathing, feel a sense of aliveness in your fingertips or your toes. So with your eyes closed, it's like you're feeling into your fingers and toes as though you were in a dark, pitch black cave and feeling, sensing into hands and feet to see if they're still there. Can you feel that sense of aliveness? That hum of energy? As you continue to breathe in and out, you might connect the hum you feel in fingers and toes to this phrase, I am. With each inhale, feel the belly. With each exhale, feel into fingers and toes and repeat the phrase in your mind, I am. With each inhale, feel the belly. With each exhale, feel the aliveness in the fingers and toes and connect that aliveness to the phrase, I am. Now an invitation to move into a different part of your mind, even your imagination. And I want you to think of some role that you play in your life. So if I was offering I am blank, what role that you play naturally fills that space? I am what? I want you to feel what that role feels like, what that sentence feels like in your body. And allow your imagination to create pictures or images of seeing yourself in this role. See if you can locate in your body a sense of what this feels like. Maybe heaviness, maybe joy, maybe both. You might notice how attached you feel to this role or title. how central it is to your identity. Just noticing, no judgment. Just getting curious about what this role means to you in your life and how it's operating in positive ways, in negative ways. Just feel in your body what it feels like to be defined by I am blank. And as you feel and sense into this, I want you in your mind to allow this vision of yourself in this role to start to be imbued with bright white light. And the brighter the light gets, the more the scene of you doing your thing in this role starts to dissolve. And as this vision dissolves, I want you to bring your attention back into fingertips and toes. Maybe also the space around your heart, sensing for a warmth there, a tingling, an aliveness. Inhaling and exhaling, I am, with no completion to that phrase, just allowing that phrase to be, I am. Sensing the inner body, feeling how much energy and aliveness dances inside of you. I am. And I'm going to invite you to explore one more phrase. This time I'm going to offer I am and ask you to finish it with some sort of adjective, maybe a descriptor. I am blank. Feel what this descriptor feels like in your body. Notice if that phrase was answered so quickly. If the phrase you use to describe yourself is so familiar. And notice what it feels like in your body to be defined by that phrase. Does it feel light? Does it feel heavy? Does it feel aligned with truth? Does it feel like a burden? Does it feel hopeless? Does it feel limiting? You might envision yourself in moments where this description fills your mind, fills your heart, where it feels so big that it feels like there is nothing else. You might locate in your body where you feel this phrase. In your chest, maybe in your gut or your shoulders or the tightness of your neck. See if you can use your breath to send a little space and give some permission to release. And when you are ready, and with a clear picture in your mind of what this phrase represents to you, what it looks like, allow a bright white light to fill that vision, to fill that picture. Allow that light to grow so bright that the image dissolves into a million tiny pieces till it's entirely consumed by bright white light. And as you see this light in your mind, feel the aliveness, the hum of energy in your fingertips and your toes, in the space around your heart, and say, I am. What does I am feel like? Does it feel light? Does it feel free? Does it feel powerful? Does it feel limitless? Locate the places in your body where you feel I am the strongest. And you might ask yourself, can I let I am be enough? When you're ready, opening your eyes, releasing your body, maybe rolling through the neck or shoulders, maybe moving the fingertips, and taking just a moment to capture the essence of what you felt here today.
You can click in the links below to find a free guide to offer you more resources on your path towards healing and wellness.